Recalculating route. Please turn around.
A dark castle in the middle of nowhere. Looks pretty scary, right? Not a normal hotel at all. It was a giant stone castle.
Dad, is there a real princess in the castle? I want to see a brave knight.
Of course there's a princess, sweetie. It's a real castle.
Are you sure about that, Nick?
Yep, this is the exact address. We're finally here.
We lost the phone signal again.
I told you to download the map.
I know, I thought it would be fine. Think again.
How do I read this paper map? Everything looks the same. I don't get it. Where are we?
Is this the right place?
Whoa, it looks so creepy.
Are we staying here?
Let me check the address again.
It's too dark out here.
Wow! This is the coolest place ever! It looks like a movie! Mom? Yoam? Where does the princess sleep? I'm a little scared.
Look at the town down there. Those purple lights are really strange. Nick, I think tonight is Halloween. That explains everything.
Oh. I completely forgot about that.
Stormly if we wish, and let's sleep in the car. We can't sleep in the car. Let's just go inside. Silent.
Look at this doorbell! It's a scary skull! Just press it! No way! I'll push the button. Be careful, Tom! That's a really loud bell!
Is he gonna eat us?
Run! Hissing sound. Welcome me to your room.
Ah! It's a monster!
Oh my God, your faces! Foot! Foot! Please come in, everyone.
Jazz music and the smell of pumpkin pie. Not scary at all. Happy Halloween! Dracula's haunted house experience?
You booked a room for the special Halloween night. Hope you enjoyed the jump scare. Our town has the best Halloween festival. And my castle is the main attraction. $20 includes a nice room and a VIP ticket. And an exclusive midnight greeting. Let me read this description again. Oh, there it is. Late check-in includes a surprise performance. I totally missed that part. Oops.
Don't say another word, Nick!
I'm so sorry, honey.
Wow, real armor and creepy paintings. This is the best place ever. Mister, can you put your teeth back in? I want to take a picture with you.
Absolutely not.
It sounds like there are real ghosts in here. Ah! A ghost lady. Boo.
Hi, I'm Maria, Gerald's neighbor. Come down for my apple pie tomorrow morning.
Hello, little Reaper. It's okay, I won't hurt you. How old are you? I'm 6. 6.
Are you lost, man? Yes, I think so. I think I am.
Oops, wrong room. Hey man, what's up? Do you want some pizza? We ordered way too much.
Nick! Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm coming!
This pepperoni pizza is delicious.
I have no words for you.
Wow, look at all the pumpkins! It's so bright and colorful. I've never seen so many. They're everywhere.
Watch closely, ladies and gentlemen. This festival is incredible.
You can't catch me, zombie! Come here, kid! Trick or treat!
Cheers, everyone. Carve the eyes very carefully, dear.
Like this, ma'am? That's it, just like that. Is this right?
Everyone is having a great time. Best mistake ever. Five stars for Gerald's castle. They deserve it.
Are you gonna read the description next time?
Really? Yeah, I'll try my best.
You're ever gonna read it, Nick. This bed is so soft.
I'm exhausted.
Gerald gave me cookies. And I got a cool history book.
Let me handle the hotel booking.
But if you booked it, we'd never find a place like this.
He has a point. Good night, Nick.
Good morning. Here's your apple pie. Thank you, Miss Maria. Can we come back here next year, Dad? I want to play zombie tag again.
Of course, son. We definitely can.
The view is absolutely stunning. This jam is delicious. So good.
That wig makes my head itchy. Say cheese.
These pictures are so funny.
A safe hotel is boring. Now we have a great story to tell for 10 years.